Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are in this beautiful planet. Apologize, we had a technical issue. The mic was not working. It took me a while to fix it, but we are good to go. Let me make sure if the sound is good. Hold on. Yes. Every 6 or 7 months, I have to reconfigure the system to get it working. But how are you? Judd B, Vraj, Demetrius, Bitcoin Baijan. Oh my God, it's straight time. This is my favorite time. Thank you, brother. Been looking forward all week to it. Vraj, guys, let's share this channel and let's support our brother. Thank you, brother. Shrey's coming. Oh my God, can't wait. J Money, Shrey TV, baby. Yeah, man. What is up? Okay, the title of the video is A Tornado. This is the calm before the storm. What's coming? Nobody is ready for what is coming, guys. A lot of gloom and doom on Twitter and everywhere else. But we hear, this is the best opportunity right now to get in, especially in altcoins. There are some altcoins which are down 95, 99%. Altcoins have reached the double bottom. Some altcoins have reached their bottom. They have gone below the levels that they have been before. I'm really excited for what's coming, man. Okay, let's look at XRP. Let's look at XRP. See what's up with XRP. See what happened last time when XRP created a triangle like this. What happened? Look at this, man. It's just perfect. Anytime it creates these triangles pattern, what happens? It breaks out of it and goes up, right? So this is what I expect this time as well. Not any different. This is not the exact chart I'm looking for. See the triangle pattern? What we did here last time in 2015 bull run, we had a nice wick down, right? Do you see this wick? Can we expect something like that? A wick on some exchanges? Yes, it's possible that you might see a wick that goes down to these levels. Yes, a wick could come down to these levels just to scare somebody, who's new into crypto. A wick could go down like that. Just, I would have some buy orders at 25 cents. 25 cents, I would say 30 cents to 23 cents, just in case, if on your exchange a wick comes down and goes back up right away. Okay. But XRP is ready. XRP is ready to go, man. It's just a matter of time. This thing's going to explode. It'll explode to $1.50 to $1.70 first. Wait few days and then go up to, I would say, we could be sitting to close to all-time high very quickly. Okay, we could see XRP somewhere between $2.90 to $3 very quickly. When that will happen, it'll happen quick. See, anytime XRP pumps, look at this. 2 times XRP has shown us that it can pump like crazy. In this, how many days it took for XRP? Look at this. This pump was magnificent. Just 91 days. 91 days. How much did it pump? So all the depression phase will go away. It pumped almost 8,000%, man. So yeah, this is peanuts for XRP. I know the market cap is high. It'd be like, Shrey, we just have to pump, 4.5, 4.7x for it to reach $3. But that's the XRP update. I made a chart. See, this was the original expectation. When I posted a chart, this is the upside down chart for Bitcoin. Upside down chart for Bitcoin. Initially, when I made this chart, I told them on my Patreon that I would expect a dump right here at these levels, right? But I was expecting the dump to go to these levels to reach at this level. You see this 382 on Fibonacci? 382 is this level. This is the level which I was expecting the dump to reach. I would say between 40,000 to the wick would go to $37,000. That was the deal. But we have spent a lot of time here, and we kissed the 236 level, right? So we tried to reach 236 level this time, and the second time we did touch the 236 level on a daily. On a daily, let's look at on a daily. This is a weekly chart. So I think, there's always a room, okay? It's possible we go touch this level, but now I'm doubting it because the amount of time that we have spent. There are two levels that I look at when I look at a crypto. I look at two levels. Two things that I look at. Time, how long it takes to get where it's supposed to. I think Bitcoin has spent a lot of time here in this range, and I think it's getting ready to get out of this range, this particular one. So I think I would not be surprised if I see, a little bit of accumulation and goes down here to $80 and then goes back up to 60 again, and before we get an $90,000 like that. So it's possible. Okay, how exactly it'll play out, I cannot be 100% on it, but I think this particular, and being in the zone is done between $50,000 to $62,000 zone. I think it's done for now. Once we hit $80,000, a new all-time high, I would get a little cautious because there is always a chance for a rebound, a last rebound up to $60,000. There's always a possibility we rebound to $60,000 and then get a new all-time high. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting with Bitcoin right now. I think we are done going down. Okay. That is our friend Bitcoin. Bitcoin Baijan, you are the best, Ray. Can we look at the Polkadot, please? Have a pretty big position in it. Been holding a while. Sure, brother. Thanks for the 20. James McMahon, BCH to the moon, please. J Money. How are you guys, man? JW Gala and Manta. Hold on, let me look at Polkadot. Let's look at the Bitcoin pair first. That looks sick. Oh, let's look at the weekly. What do you think, guys? Against Bitcoin, Polkadot went 92%. The wick here went down to 99.66%. See this wick here? All these scam wicks. Well, if we get a rebound, usually, a falling wedge has a strong rebound. But can we go like this here on the sideways? Like this? Yes, it's possible. Go sideways. So nothing significant, but a small pump, 60 or 80% pump, 60 to 80% pump. It's possible 60 to 80%, and it fizzles out. It fizzles out, makes you wait until, the first quarter, and then you get a nice size pump. Yeah, 2-3x pump. It will try to come back, reach this level, at least this level. Polkadot. I feel it'll try to reach this level against Bitcoin at some point. When is the question. So that is against Bitcoin. We're looking at 3x to 4x against Bitcoin. I'll be very skeptical when it reaches that level. After that, So let's look at the dollar chart of Bitcoin. Polkadot. Wow. Created a double bottom. The way the chart looks, man, hold on, let me see. I feel we can come very close to the all-time high. 10x, it shows 10x. $51 to $61. $51 to $61. A wick. Can the wick go touch $100? I would say $80 to $90 a wick can touch. Again, I have to see this Bitcoin chart against Polkadot is very depressing. Okay, so this thing has to crush this level, this particular level, really hard, and do something like this. Do something like this in a very short period of time, like that. Go up like that. here, and then fall back down like that. Okay, we need to do something like this. Polkadot needs to do this against Bitcoin for us to see Polkadot go up. So a 10x from here, I think would be somewhere around here. We're looking at a 10x. Yes. So it won't be able to pass a new all-time high against Bitcoin. But in dollar terms, it could possibly do a new all-time high. Okay. So when Polkadot reaches against Bitcoin, these levels, this is where, I would get very cautious. Okay. There are two levels where I would get very cautious on Polkadot is here. These levels are against Bitcoin, so I don't know if you understand, but it's 0.0002 level here, and that is 0.0006 to 0.0007. So that means in dollar terms, we are looking at, I would get cautious somewhere around between $50 to $70. $50 to $70 is where I would get very cautious. And again, it won't be easy. What's going to happen is, we go right here. What it could do is create a Wyckoff accumulation on the top. Okay. It might create a Wyckoff accumulation on the top. So where it goes, it reaches around $40. You get a dump. So, something like this. We go up like that. Go up, get a dump here, nice size dump. Everyone thinks the bull runs over. Go up a little bit more, go to almost $52. Get a dump here like that, and then go up one more. A wick could go to $80. Have a dump like that. And it always keeps you reeled in. That okay, a new all-time high. Yes, we're gonna go $100. People will be reeled in, right? And you won't even realize the bull runs over, right? And it starts to go down, like that. And a lot of people will get stuck and confused in this level. So anywhere, if you sell in this range, you are a successful trader. If you sell between $40 to $70, you are successful. It doesn't matter if the thing goes to $80. If you sell at $40, you are a star. You are a star. If you are able to sell Polkadot at $40, you are a star. So that is a lot of money. From here, we are looking at almost 8x, brother. Yeah, 8.5x. But as I said, this is what I expect, a Wyckoff accumulation before it starts to go down. And as I said, wick, I cannot control a wick. A wick could go to $100, okay? Zoop, like that. And on some exchanges, it'll look like this. It'll be a wick, which goes up like that. Kisses $100, Possible. That's what I expect, okay? Nathan, enjoy all your content, Trey. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Momo. Trey reached 16.5 subscribers. You finally crossed 15,000. Next is 25K. Congratulations. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Raj, you keep track, huh? Yes. We have crossed a big milestone, 15,000. Yeah, man. And, just one video goes viral and you start getting a lot of new people. It's crazy. I was told by a producer in Mumbai. At the time, I was, trying to sell my music video. and my music. And I was speaking to a producer that, I can make a feature film if I want, and we were talking about music and everything. He was one of the big producers, and he was like, my song, I showed him that I was going to release this song, and he was like, Shrey, you're just one song away from a hit. Your first song don't work, it's okay. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, it doesn't matter. You're just one hit away. It's like life is like, snakes and ladder. You just gotta stick it one time. One time you get this ladder, and you just gotta keep trying. Okay, just gotta keep going at it. One day comes and you get this big ladder, and your life 10x's. Just within that year, your life 10x's or 100x's. So it's phenomenal. So it's just like that. That music video psychology is with life as well. In life, sometimes there's a phase you get 1 or 2 years where your life 10x's, to the next level. And we are very close to that phase, guys. We are very close. We are probably a year and a half away from that stage. Our snakes and ladder, our ladder is coming. You just have to believe it and keep going at it. Your Bollywood star song has 1 million views. Yeah. Thanks, brother. That's my hobby. If I do something, I want to do it right or not do it. So, anytime I release music video or music, it's going to be, good. Silence, man. Man, I want to see you #1 YouTube star in crypto. Congrats. You got 15K holders. Thank you, brother. Thank you. One day. You got to keep working, man. I was just talking to the girl that I'm dating. I was like, hey, life will be very boring if you don't have a goal. I want to be good at anything I do. I want to be the best, not just good. I want to be the best at anything I do. You know why? It's not just because of the money. I want to leave a dent in this universe that I was here. I did something, Ultimately, everyone dies. You, me, everyone's fate is the same. And if somebody's happy, I have friends who are very happy with a little bit of money and, their content, they're content with their life, right? It's just me. I want to make my life interesting, okay? I have this thing in me that I want to do things, and I have whatever things are in my head, I want to put it out there to the world, which is not going to help only me, but a lot of other people as well. If I build a business, it's going to create 100 jobs for different other people as well, right? But God has given me the capability to do that. It's not that I think, oh, I'm something. No, I have this capability. If you waste your gift, then it's waste for other people as well. So, yeah, man, you got to live. Every day I wake up and I'm like, we're going to fuck shit up. Yeah. Let's see what's pumping, what's dumping. Dogecoin. We need to look at the second coin is Dogecoin. If you don't live your life with passion, you might have it's just like being dead, I feel. Okay. Man, Dogecoin is going to have a huge surge. Anytime, guys. Anytime. Initially, I was thinking Dogecoin, we are looking at the end of the year, we're looking at between 80 cents to 90 cents. So if it has to do that, but now I'm thinking, I'm looking at other altcoins. I would say, it's probably first quarter of 2025, or there's a possibility second quarter, because we stayed here for a long time. If Dogecoin has to do something phenomenal, then Dogecoin has to pump like crazy. There has to be a green sharinga that goes up like this. Okay, it goes up like this to these levels, to 53 cents. Man, that is between, I would say, 46 to 53 cents. Let's look on a fib. Yeah, we are looking at 42 to 55 cents. Dogecoin, the next level. If you're looking at summer of 2025, then Dogecoin might spend time at 27 levels. But we have spent a lot of time here, okay? So I would expect next level to be very aggressive. Dogecoin to be very aggressive between 40 cents to 56 cents, okay? Possible for Doge, okay? William Carroll, hi Shrey. J Money, that's great mindset. Respect to you, man. Silence, man. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it's just not only about money. Money is important, man. Money gives you wings to fly and do things. But boring life, is just being dead. So it got to be interesting. So when you have goals, it makes your life interesting. Like in a video game, you don't play the game to lose, right? You play the game to win. But why do you play the video game? To entertain you, to keep you busy, so life is just like that. When you have goals that I want to do this, I want to do that, right? And in a certain time period, that makes your life exciting. Plus, the benefit of that is it gets you disciplined, and, money follows that because you work with passion. So Bitcoin Cash has been lagging in this area, as we have mentioned this long time ago. Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin here, right? When we get out of this region, this is when Bitcoin Cash bull run will start. This region, Bitcoin Cash has spent a lot of time here, man. And now I think Bitcoin Cash is ready. How many days? If it spends 30 days here, yes, I cannot be sure how many days we will spend here and jerk off before you get this huge, move up. How many days we will jerk around here, I cannot say that, But as soon as we get out of this region, this 0.006 region, next level up is 0.01 to 0.02. That is a lot. That is 2x or 2.5, 2.4x, okay? In dollar terms, we are looking at $1,000 to $1,300 Bitcoin Cash. Kaspa. When I look at Kaspa, I get very scared, man. I feel the run is over. I don't remember who I spoke to, but I was like, man, Kaspa scares me. Kaspa scares me. I think the top for Kaspa is in. See, whenever I start to see this sideways action, I get very scared. You get very scared. On the top, if you start getting sideways action like that, it's time to be super, super cautious. I personally feel there's one more pump left in Kaspa. So it will look something like this. On a chart, it could possibly look like this. Something like this, okay? But I don't like Kaspa. When I look at Kaspa, I get very scared. I feel this bull run's over when I see Kaspa. So, these are the signals. Coins like this, Singularity, They are the signals that at top we are very close to the top, okay, and very close for this bull run to be being done, okay. So our coins, you'll be like, Shrey, what about my coin? You know, there are more than 40,000 coins, but when the surge happens, it will be very fast. The bull run, whenever it starts, it'll be between, for many coins, it'll be between 60 days. The run will be over. 60 days. Look the time frame. 60 days, 90 days, and 120 days. That will be the max, 120 days for some coins. Okay. There are very rare occasions that, you know, like Kaspa, you have a long bull run from here onwards to look at that, almost 900 days of bull run. You know, 900 days it's been just going up. So, you know, if the bull run somewhere in first quarter, if it ends, so there's 1,000 days of Kaspa going up, right? It'll be very rare. If you look at XRP, for example, XRP wasted so many days here at the bottom. It wasted probably 1,000 days, you know, in this range. Look at that. Almost 1,300 days in the same range before it went up. Okay. And when it started to go up, it finished its run, you know, 70 days, 60 days. 70 to 60 days, this run was so fast and so furious. You know, we had another run, but, you know, if somebody got out here, is a winner, I would say. So many coins are going to do something like this, and, you know, in a very short period of time. So you have to see what coin you are into and have a belief system that, okay, if the chart says that it's going to do this, it'll do. After that, it's your luck as well. You know, I'm not God, or, you know, I'm looking at technical analysis. I'm looking at certain coins that I believe will have a good run, and I have my money in it. You know, after that, if something like FTX event happens, you know, no chart can help you. Shrey, Swift coin on track? Yes, Swift coin is on track. Kaspa, and another coin that scares me is Solana. Solana is one more coin that scares me, and I feel it's very close to the top. Okay, but as I said, you know, previously, when we are close to the top, a coin starts to do this. So they could be, you know, like this, going up, get probably $350 to $500, you know, could be a top, and then comes back down. It goes back up here to $400. It does a wyckoff, you know, and stays in this range for other coins to top before it comes back down like that, you know, 70-80%. Okay, so there are many coins which will reach their top at a different time, will jerk around in this range before they come back down. Okay, but once you see the price go to $400, very few people will be able to sell that thing and settle down for $200. You know, after you see a thing go 400, you cannot sell at 200. You'll be like, your mind will be like, oh no, I can't do that, right? So they will ride the whole wave back down. Grudges my Patreon. God Star's creation. Is Aventus on track? Yes, Aventus is on track. Yeah, anytime, again, a surge in Aventus will be like this, okay? You will see a one-day candle like that, okay? In Aventus. I'm sorry, Swift coin. Whenever that pump happens, it'll be like this, okay? We might, in this range, okay? This range. We're looking at a pump. In this range, the wick could go up a little bit and then have a small pullback. I would say small. It would be a good size pullback. But this is the range. You know, it's almost 3.5, 3x to 4x pump for Swift coin is coming. We are at 0.00324 right now. Be going between 0.0128 to 0.0159. Okay, that's what I expect for Swift coin. Between a 3x to 4x pump coming. And it'll be, when it happens, it'll be straight up. It'll go straight up like that. Because we don't have time to go slowly and gradually up. It'll be like that. DWM27. Can we look at almost dead coins SLP? Thanks, Ray. Dave from Holland. How are you, Dave? How are you, brother? Thanks for the 12 bucks. BTC top silence meant for me is between $90,000 to $130,000 in this cycle. Yeah, I'm not worried about Smooth Love Potion. Look at this. This was a #1 blockchain game, man, in the world. And, you know, I would get cautious, okay? But that doesn't mean that I've lost hope for this coin. I would get really cautious in this range. That is 3 cents to 5 cents. 3 cents to 5 cents is the level where I would get cautious. But how soon it'll take, you know, when the run will start, it'll be fast and furious, as I said. You know, in 70 days, in 60 days, it could reach this level. That is a lot of money from here. We're looking at a 15x to a 20x from here, okay, for Smooth Love Potion. And that'll happen fast, okay, when that happens. That is Smooth Love Potion, man. Thanks, Ray. Appreciate it. Sure. FPV Tad Rad. Shrey TV, baby. How do you like the thumbnail for this? Look at this thumbnail. Crypto tornado. Yeah, calm before the storm. You see this little Bitcoin Digibyte, you know, these little symbols going up, and XRP at the bottom is going to take this thing up, man. Look at this, XRP. Small things. You know, I just do it for fun, like a puzzle. That's my Twitter, by the way. Yeah, SLP is going to shock and rock everybody. Let me grab some water, man. I'll be back 1 second, okay? I don't want to leave you. I don't want to leave you with this messed up song. Hold on. Where? Okay. Okay, I just have to fill some water. Okay, I'll be back. There's no water. So there's a hack I'll tell you. You know what I do with my water? I have a reverse osmosis filter because I don't trust the government with my water. So it filters out water, but with what reverse osmosis does is it takes out chlorine, fluoride, and all the other bad things. But bad things, it takes good things out as well with the water. So water has other minerals as well, right? So it takes out all the minerals from the water. So I remineralize the water by putting just a little bit of Himalayan salt. And yeah, man. Silence, man. I love you more than my best friend. We are friends, brother. We are friends. It's just that we haven't met, right? I tell my friends, I was like, my people, I love my people more than you. Because we are in the same tribe. You understand? This is a tribe. This is my tribe. Crypto. This is our crypto tribe. Love you too, brother. Okay, let's get back to business. We have to look at Luna and Algorand. Luna. Any Luna fans here? I feel Luna coin will be the meme coin of this cycle. LUNC. The old Luna will be the meme coin of this cycle. People are following the wrong meme coin. This could be the meme coin that shocks everyone, you know. This could be it. And huge gains could come out of this, man. Again, risk. In meme coins, you don't bet a farm on meme coins. But look at this. When it'll be ready, Boy, oh boy. This thing's gonna show some colors. Once we get out of this accumulation, man, this is when, we'll have a good time. I feel we are very close of getting out of this accumulation for Luna. Once we get out, we do this, we get out of this accumulation. This is when a huge run will come for Luna. How long it'll take, man, I cannot be 100% sure, but do I think what's my target for Luna? Luna target looks stupid for me here. Look, if you look at the fib retracement, just look at the fib. We haven't even reached the 236 level yet. Okay, so the 236 level from here onwards is what? Look at that, man. It's almost a 50x. This level, man, it's a 50x from here, from where the price is. And I think we'll come to at least this level. My targets are so stupid. Is there a possibility that Luna reaches this level, comes and kisses? Yeah. In a meme kind of world, it's possible that Luna at some point reaches this level. In a meme world possibility, okay? Luna reaches this level, but reaching 236 level, 0.003 level is almost a 50x. Do not forget that. That is a lot of money. So if you're betting money on a meme coin, I would say bet money on Luna, because it's ready, man. Look at this. This chart looks depressed. This thing is ready. Ready to pull a new sharinga. Can you see it? Let me know if my image is obstructive. Okay. I deliberately did that. I made me larger because I want to create these short videos for YouTube Shorts. How do you like the YouTube Shorts? Do you like the idea of having 30-second to a minute video of all the coins that I do here? Like, I try to put them every 2-3 days, 3 or 4 shorts. Do you think that is good? William Carroll, I'm in Luna. Yeah, good, man. I have 20 million Luna since 2022. Been holding for a big run. Good, man. Yeah, LUNC might as well put 1,000. We'll never know. Yeah, I think so. I have a bag of Luna too. Okay, what coins? Algorand. This coin, Algorand, I think I saw a commercial of Algorand, which was very funny and impressive to me. Let's see if we can... Where's the Algorand commercial that I've been looking for? Is they go try to buy an ice cream. Oh, this is the one. Algorand commercial 1 day ago. See, this is the one that I watched and I was like, they're putting out commercials now. So let's pause this and watch this. I don't want to get copyright, man. You know, I may get a copyright. But what happens is this lady selling ice cream, and the guy tries to buy it with Bitcoin. She says, "Oh, it's going to be 28 minutes." Another guy tries to buy something with Solana. Something else happens. But the other ice cream truck is selling, and they're accepting Algorand, and it goes right away. Okay, so that's Algorand. So let's look at Algorand as... because Gary Gensler has something to do with Algorand. I think his friend made Algorand or something. So we picked the bottom for Algorand. I like the chart. I not just like the chart, I love the chart of Algorand. And can we go a little lower? Yes, of course. You know, we can go a little lower if we want. But I personally really like the chart of Algorand here. We could be looking at a nice run for Algorand, where we could come and pause at these levels. Next pause could be at the dollar, at $1.38. So that is still a lot of money from here onwards. It's a 10x, man. $1.40, man. $1.40 to $1.60. It's between 10x to 13x for Algorand is coming, man. That is phenomenal. A 13x for Algorand. That is phenomenal. And that's, you know, will happen fast, I feel. Why did my music stop? Patrick Muro. Good day, Shrey. Can you look at AAVE coin? Thank you. You're the man. Wealth Abundance, BitDAO. Where was I? I had to look at, yeah, we looked at all the coins that I mentioned here, right? So I will look at AAVE. I like this accumulation, man. I really like this accumulation. Making people crazy. If you're an AAVE holder, you're a star, my friend. You're already a star. That shows your persistence. Look at this. The biggest ballers would have been defeated by now. Look at that. It's so pathetic. That accumulation is crazy. I think it's time for it to get out of this accumulation, right? And go up, come back one more time, and then, you know, have a run. AAVE. Yeah, man, I think it's time for AAVE to get out. How long we waste time here before getting out? No one can say, you know, like we still have a little room here in the arc and then go up. Okay, it could be the end of the year. We could get the surge. Okay, if it wants to pump and dump in September, you know, it has to pump right now. Because September, I am usually bearish in September, so yeah, it could pump to these levels. So and it's showing me the signs of it pumping to this level right here, brother. All the signs are there. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, 100% pump, 100%. To 618, Yeah, 100 to 120% pump for AAVE is coming. Okay, so we are looking at 220 to I would say $250 level for AAVE before we get a dump. Are we tracking ETH today? And I'll do that for you. ETH, I have not spent too much time, brother, on ETH chart. So it's least of my concerns, ETH, but I was just looking at ETH, and when it came out, see here, we always stopped at this trend line. Always stopped here, stopped. First time we broke down is when altcoins started to go down. Remember? April, and it started to go down. So I feel it has reached a level where, can it go down here? Yes, it can. But, this is a very juicy level which holds your ETH. So another 25, 26%. Yeah, it's possible, but you don't usually get what you always want, right? So we might as well just see ETH surging from here. Again, it'll try to reach this trend line, to kiss this trend line at some point in the cycle. When that happens, that is a 2.5 to 3x, depending on when we reach this level. 2.5 to 3x in ETH dollar terms would take 2.5x to 3x. 2x would take Ethereum to 8,000. So between 8,000 to, $10,000, $8,000 to $10,000 for ETH is coming, brother. And with the Jaws, hello, brother. My brother from another mother. How are you? Okay, we did a lot in a short period of time. What are the crypto news? Let's look at some crypto news. What is happening? Nigeria tax watchdog proposes comprehensive crypto bill. Okay. Why Bitcoin and Ethereum Dogecoin are sinking today? I don't think they're sinking. Michael Saylor stuns with Bitcoin statement amid Bitcoin price pause by USA Today. What was the statement? USA Today. Michael Saylor, co-founder and chairman of MicroStrategy, has once again captured the attention of crypto community amid a period of consolidation for the Bitcoin price. Saylor has delivered a message that has resonated across the crypto market. In his latest tweet, Saylor simply wrote, "Behold Bitcoin." While the statement may seem brief and straightforward, its timing and context carry significant weight. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is currently witnessing a period of relative consolidation, hovering nearly 60,000 to 62,000 range since August 8th, Specifically, Bitcoin has consolidated below 62,000 level after reaching highs of 62,755. The pause in Bitcoin price movement has led to speculation about the Bitcoin trend in the short term. Okay, well, this is just talking about, nothing special. What's going on Twitter? They're all talking about UFOs. NASA citizens, scientists just discovered an object traveling 1 million miles per hour. Okay. They're going to come up, I hope they don't come up with the alien invasion thing, man. Because they've been, we've been watching alien movies since Independence Day. Right? Who has seen Will Smith Independence Day? It was back in the day, man. They started, having these movies because they already know everything you see, all technology that you see, you must have seen 25, 30 years ago in movies. So, right now I really watch sci-fi movies just to see how the world's going to be in the next 20 to 30, maybe 40 years. So they already show it to you that what they're going to do. Okay. And it's programming, predictive programming. Okay, it's all politics. I'm not worried about politics. What's the news in crypto? Yeah, nothing going on in the crypto world. It's just, I heard Jerome Powell, somebody else was talking about soft landing. Have you seen the UFO videos on Twitter? It's like childlike. Why would a UFO show everyone their lights? If there was UFO, if I was a UFO, I want to be quiet, that nobody notices me, right? Here this blue and red lights and people are talking about UFOs. Okay, there's not much in the news or anything going on. I'll take off. It's been an hour. Okay. I will try to do frequent live streams. I may come every day as things going to start getting exciting. And I feel the rest of the August will be exciting. Okay. It's just a matter of time, guys. Just have some patience. You are already very patient. You're like a Buddha. Okay. So have some patience and relax. The time that goes sideways is time to vacation. Have a good time. Have a sexy time. Okay. Later. Have a good Sunday. I will see you later. Love you all.